about my voice. It's kind of like I have a cough. Excuse me for that. Today we're gonna be, I guess, ranking them. I don't know how to flip it. There we go. Just gonna put this back. Anyways, so here are the ranks. Nothing good. Decent, very good. I wanted super. I'd do anything for it. I know, like, I still don't know what ranks or any idea ranks to name it. Starting off with Buxton. Nothing good. Yeah, there's nothing good about the...
Labs, parang iba na yung mood sa mansion ngayon.
Let me just...
Ang lungkot. Wala ng buhay.
Death.
Kasi alam natin yung mga ginawa nila. Pero, sinabang sa amin na ito tayo ngayon.
Labs.
It's very good,
Ganun
but...
talaga yung sistema eh. Iba na usapan pag buhay na yung kapalit. O di kaya kapaka na naman ng pamilya.
Okay, decent.
Pero Labs, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala.
Those scraps
Kayang
could
gawin
be...
ni Sir Jaime sa sarili ng kapatid.
Yeah.
Saksakin pa naman niya. Tapos,
This is...
papakidnap si Moy at saka si...
Oh my... I would want it super hard. Of course, bro.
Pero, Labs, proud na proud ako sa'yo. Dahil tumulong ka sa paligtas sa kanila.
Salamat na, Labs.
This is very good, I guess.
I love you, Labs.
Very good, I guess. Excuse me. I guess so. Get this away from...
Mahulog yan. Ito na lang i-secure mo bago
Okay.
Yan ang pipigain nila no sa misal.
alam nila kung saan nandudon sila Moises eh.
I guess this boy could be... Oh my God, everybody make goodbye.
Pati si Dani pa.
Zesty.
Ito munang
Or what's the last one?
mahulog na naman.
No. I'm gonna put it to decent. I'm at decent, bro. That's it for today, guys. Up to the next one. Here we are. So I'm gonna rate now. Bad. Bad. No, bro.
Gustuhan nilang magkaroon ng milagro. Ang nangangailangan ng agwa bendito ito, ang aking pamangkin. Nagawa nilang magkasala sa isang mabigat na krimen na siyang magbubunga sa hindi maipaliwanag na sumpa. Bakit kailangan mangyari sa atin ito? Pinailan ng Diyos. Isang mukha mula sa isang dugo.
Up to the next one. Alright, guys, we're here. So,
Make your weekday prime time feel fresh on Kapamilya Online Live.
up to,
FPJ's Batang Quiapo, 8 p.m.
to the show,
Pamilya Sagrado, 1:30 p.m. Weekdays made more special on Kapamilya Online Live.
I would not. I swear. If I get him in a blackout, I'm gonna scream.
Paano naman? Ang mali no ang pinakamalaking uri na kusa. Marfil. Ilan ang maliit ang bugtong na anak? Tama man o hindi, lahat happy dahil sa pinakamakulit na game show. Masayang pagluto at masayang tumawa. Guess mo naman ay si Sandara Park. Ano tanong?
Like, why does bro hide on it?
Pangalawa sa pinakagwapo. Luis Montano. Pangalawa.
Alright guys, I'm back.
Expired na ang visa.
Isa lang naiisip kong paraan ngayon.
May marriage na involved. Willing to pay a big sum
What
of money
is-
and you need money. Ano? G ka
What?
ba?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Naku, walang mai-in-love ha? On the Wings of Love, Saturdays 9 a.m. Sundays 9:30 a.m.
That's all for it, guys.
Sa
Bye.
kapamilya